Hi, welcome to our money market update live here from Tehaleh and Bonney Lake, Washington. My name is David Sturm. I'm a local real estate agent. I live and work in this community, actually the greater Bonney Lake area, including Tehaleh, everywhere from the lake to the plateau. And hopefully these will be helpful for you if you're making a decision to move or buy or sell in the Bonney Lake or Tehaleh market. I live here myself, like I said, and I can help you save a lot of time and money if you reach out to me first. I'd love to help you and hopefully make your decision-making process a little bit easier. Glad to share any information I have. Please give me a call below. I'll set up a tour, meet you down at Cafe D'Arte, have a cup of coffee, kind of explain to you what it's really like living here, and give you some insider information. And again, it'll save you a lot of time and money. So without further ado, I'll get into some graphs here and kind of show you what's going on in the market. A lot of changes going on overall. Tehaleh is finishing up its second phase. The third phase is coming, but not here yet. Another 1,500 home sites will be released sometime in the spring, and once that happens, I'll have more information for you about the builders. But right now, there's 6 builders in Tehaleh that are still building, and in the greater Bonney Lake area, there's a lot of new construction. Falling Water is another community right next to you, next to Tehaleh that I think you'll like. I've got a couple clients that love it down there. So hopefully stats are up. A lot of things going on, so we'll get right to it. There's 102 active homes right now. Inventory is up over last year, but still tight for this particular market. There are only 8 of those homes that have been on the market under 2 weeks. Everything is over 2 weeks. Watching these videos, days on market have been very low, but they are gradually going up. We've got some graphs that'll help you understand that here in a second. There are actually 45 homes under $600,000 in the market. So over almost half the homes are under $600,000. 25 homes in the Bonney Lake area are in the $600,000 range, 15 in the 700, and 17 in the 800,000 plus, already up to $2 million in some areas around Lake Tapps. 50 homes are for sale here in Tehaleh. There are still 7 builders that have homes available. The builder here in Trilogy even has 1 home left to sell before their new development opens up in the new section of Tehaleh. There's 1 home listed at used to be listed at $850,000 that is now, that was 2 months ago, is now listed for $700,000 by one of the builders here in Tehaleh. So there's a lot of wheeling and dealing going on. Builders are wanting to unload the final homes they have in the second phase. So reach out to me. I'll give you some more insider information about that. But for now, they're offering rate buy downs, seller closing costs, and a lot of incentives going on right now from a seller standpoint and a builder standpoint. There have been 10 price reductions, so home prices have leveled out. There's not a lot of the price reductions that we've seen in the past, but one builder just recently reduced 4 of their homes sales prices. So I'll get to some graphs here. Hopefully this will give you some general understanding of the greater market, but more importantly, give you some insights into what's going on here. The medium home sales price for Bonney Lake has leveled out about $630,000, but still up 9.5% from last year. But it's leveled off since August, and so home prices are really stable. So if you're waiting for home prices to lower, I'm not seeing that happening here, specifically in the Bonney Lake market. The average day on market, we just talked about that, from 2017 to 2021, hovered well over a month. And over the last 2 years, it hovered down almost a week, less than a week in some places, but about 10, 11 days overall in the market. And now it's going up. And we know that a balanced market is about 3 to 4 months. So we're well away from that here in the Bonney Lake market. Other areas of Seattle are seeing that balance. Bonney Lake is still right there, still very much a seller's market. There's just not much inventory right now. Even though it's up, it's not as much as the community needs. Then we have the next slide. Just gives an overall listing of the year. I'm happy to share these with you. Just reach out to me, give me a call on the number below there, and we can have a conversation about these if we can go into more detail. But know that inventory is up quite a bit from this time last year, from 61 homes to 147 in December. and the Bonney Lake days on market up 200% from December of 2021, which you can see some of the numbers there. Overall positive from a home equity standpoint, and from 9 to 13% average house sales prices have gone up. It's just that inventory is still tight here, which is kind of a unique situation for Bonney Lake. Yes, buyers are a little bit concerned about what's going on in the market, but then again, there aren't a lot of sellers out there right now. So it's still an inventory problem, which is kind of a unique situation, keeping the prices steady. So glad to share more information about that with you as well. But overall, in the macro market, the United States inflation rate here is going down. It's leveling off, still very high, but about back to where it was a year ago. And hopefully it'll continue to go down. And of course, interest rates follow that. We saw a downward trend in interest rates in the last few months. In the fall, interest rates were down from where they were in early October. But then now they're creeping back up a little bit, and there's just another rate hike. But no, like I said before, with inflation going up, it puts pressure on those 30-year mortgage rates. But that's the macro market. In the micro market right here in Tehaleh and Bonney Lake, there's a lot of wheeling and dealing, a lot of deals can be done. Lenders are very aggressive. Builders are very aggressive. But give me a call. I'll give you some insider information and hopefully make that decision. If you're thinking about buying or selling, love to help you out any way I can. That's kind of it for this week. Please reach out. Love to show you around, answer any questions you have. Appreciate it. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is also live streamed on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook page, on my LinkedIn page, and hopefully these have been helpful to you. So until next week, I'll see you when you get here. Bye now.